The question I am most commonly asked with our Shorefy units is, how far will it go? Now, that's a little bit of a tricky question because it depends on a lot of things, including what kind of obstructions there are out there. But I thought I would at least give you a little bit of an illustration on an installation that I was attending today. I'm going to show you with a video the journey of our signal down to the gate and back again to give you an idea of what it can do through obstruction, through this hilly country with trees, cactuses, homes, and whatever else, to the back gate. This range testing unit that we have been getting out to a lot of our installers, and what this basically does is allows you to test the range from one area that you're wanting to do the installation to the other to ensure that you can with confidence install this unit and it can take care of your needs. There it is. We're back to the original gate and our signal has gone back, opened up the gate and come back and made this installation possible. That would just not have been feasible if you had to trench that kind of distance.